Hey guys, this is Ajay. Let's get started. So in our previous session, we have already created database which is having a replica in it. This is a master and it is having a replica. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to use this database and connect to an EC2 instance using MySQL client. So before connecting, go inside the database and check the security group whether it is allowing the connection. So go below and security group. In the security group, the inbound is 0.0.0/0. That means it allows a connection from everywhere. So our database will be working when we give connection from EC2 instance. So let's create EC2 instance. Type EC2 instance. Go inside the instance. And here we have to give launch instance. MySQL test. And AMI, which is the OS which we are going to select, is Amazon Linux 2. It's still loading, wait for it. Amazon Linux 2, because our MySQL client software while installing will only be compatible with Amazon Linux 2. And after that, instance type will be T2 micro, as it is a basic hands-on, so we can use one vCPU and 1 GB RAM, which is T2 micro. And key pair, we don't need key pair. Proceed with key pair. For this hands-on, we don't need key pair. We can easily use instance connect, EC2 instance connect, network setting keeping as default. And when it comes to security group, we are going to select the existing security group, which allows all connection from everywhere. Allow all connection for EC2, which we have already created. And the inbound is allow all 0.0.0/0. And the storage will be 8 GB. And that's it. And we are going to launch instance. It will take some time. When it is created, go inside the EC2 instance. We have to SSH into the EC2 instance. For that, we are using EC2 instance connect, which is a browser based approach to connect to an EC2. So here, if we click connect, we can get EC2 instance connect. And if we give connect, we can SSH into our EC2 instance, which we have created. Yes, we have logged into our EC2 instance. After coming in, we have to connect from EC2 instance to the database. So we need some software like a client which can connect from our EC2 instance to our database. So we are going to install MySQL client. The command for this has been given in the documentation, which I will be pasting in our description. Copy this command, sudo yum install y MySQL, which will install the MySQL client. Okay, it has been installed. And then next, we are going to connect to MySQL with the host name and username and password. See, this command is having /h, means we have to give host name, which is endpoint of database, and username, which we have created in first, which is admin, and we have to give the password. So go to database, and when you go inside database, you can find connectivity and security, endpoint and support. In this endpoint, you can copy this URL. If you copy this is our host. Remove the host and replace with the value which got from our database. Username will be admin, because that is what we have created in MySQL while creating. and password you have to leave, so that in next line it will ask for password. See, enter password is showing. We have to give password. Enter. Okay. See the connection. We had ec2 instance user and IP address here, which is SSH we have done. But after that, when we give this command, what happened is it is showing like welcome to MariaDB monitor, and see your MariaDB connection is 70. And here we can see it is ec2 instance user, and here it is MySQL. Okay, so we have connected from ec2 instance and we have logged into database. Okay, so after going inside, now what we are going to do is we are inside the database itself. We are going to create a table. Before creating table, let's see what are the table has been already created. You can show the table by show database command, so that we can know what are the available databases in it. Show database, if you and give this command, we are having this one database name created, and let's create a database. Create database WordPress. This is the basic SQL commands. Okay, so again when you put show database, see the WordPress database has been created. Okay, then let's create a table inside the WordPress. So for that we have to change the database now. So we will be using use WordPress. All are SQL commands. Use WordPress, so that it will be changed. See, MySQL none it is showing. When we use this, it will come as MySQL WordPress. So the database has been changed. Once the database has been changed, we can create a table. Okay, so we have already created a table by running this command. Let's see the created table. So if we give show table, it will show us the table which we have created. And if we want to see the values inside the table which we have created, you can put as describe users, where we can see the values inside the tables. See, this is what we have created. So we have successfully connected from ec2 instance to our MySQL RDS database, and also we have created a table and checked the verified the connection, and that's it, guys. After that, we have to give exit, so that it will come out of MySQL. EXIT, exit, and enter. See, we have logged out of MySQL, and we are in ec2 instance. So this is how we connect ec2 instance with RDS. Thank you, guys.